the words related to clothing and accessories. And here we have also the grammar. We're going to see porter in the present tense, singular and plural nouns. Okay, for example, elle porte des lunettes. She's wearing glasses. So here we're going to see every one of the accessories. Okay, that we're going to use alongside with our clothes. So, okay, so for this one, copie le mot. So you just have to copy the words. For the accessories, we have les accessoires. Then we have les lunettes, un collier, une montre, un sac à main, les chaussures, une brosse à cheveux, une écharpe, une bague, un bracelet et un bouton. Okay, pay attention to all of these ones. I will go over again. Les lunettes, un collier, une montre, un sac à main, that is going to be the bag, les chaussures, un bouton, un bracelet, une bague, et une écharpe. As you can see, we're not reviewing clothes, only the accessories, okay? So for the next one, we're going to see also more accessories. Un chapeau, un portefeuille, une ceinture, un sac, une cravate et les lunettes de soleil. I will go over again. Un chapeau, un portefeuille, une ceinture, les lunettes de soleil, une cravate, and un sac. Okay, Jessie, that's right. That's amazing that you did it. Okay, so let's go over the activities. Mettez les lettres dans le bon ordre. Put the letters in the right order. And you can see here the pictures and you can see here the letters too. Okay, so we can do this. And okay, Yvonne, yeah, très bien. Let's correct this as you were able to do this beforehand. Make sure you have the correct words. Eric, stop trying to do that. Okay, so let's go. We have les colliers. Remember, that is the color. Bague, that is the ring. Then we have un sac, une cravate. Then we have les lunettes. Here we can write lunettes. Lunettes. And here it's les brosses à cheveux. Oh, the A didn't come out. Yes, pay attention to everyone. Collier, bague, sac, cravate, and les lunettes. Okay? Remember, lunettes, they have two double T. Okay? Done with everything, Jason? Très bien. Oh, Jessie. Okay, okay, okay. So make sure you have everything right. Vincent, I'm seeing you too. Miao, bonjour. Devin, bonjour. Okay, class, bonjour. Aussi, I was seeing you before, now I can see you. You finished the whole book, all these activities. Okay, that's good. That's right. That's right. Okay, so let's go with the next one, with the next activity. And for this one, what you will have to do is just to complete with the right number, with the right letter. We have here les boutons, une écharpe, un chapeau, une ceinture, une brosse à cheveux, une cravate, un sac, un bracelet, un collier et une montre. Okay, so yes. So for this one, we can start completing. Un bouton is going to be F. Une écharpe is going to be H. Un chapeau is going to be A. Une ceinture, it's going to be wow, where's the ceinture? Okay, I'm gonna skip here because I don't see it here. Une brosse à cheveux, it's going to be oh, it's not here at all. Then we have une cravate, c'est un sac, un bracelet. We have there two B. Un collier, it's going to be E. Et une montre is going to be D. Okay. Brosse à cheveux, here we have it. It's going to be G. Okay, here. Oui, très bien. Sac et ceinture. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, let's go now with the next one. For more grammar and activité. And here is very important because we're going to see the singular and the pluriel, okay? So the rule is that the singular noun, we use it plus s. That's how we make the plural noun. For nouns ending with EAU and AU, we add an X. If the singular noun ends in S, it does not change in the plural. Change un, une to des, and le, la to les. For example, une ceinture, des ceintures. It's going to be a belt, and belts is plural. La ceinture and les ceintures. Un chapeau and des chapeaux. Les chapeaux and les chapeaux. Okay? This is going to be also the difference on the pronunciation. Le chapeau and les chapeaux. Okay? So here we have une ceinture, des ceintures. It's going to change always for the plural. Belts, the belts. Here we have hats and the hats. Okay, so let's go over the activities. Donnez le pluriel si le nom est au singulier et le singulier si le nom est le pluriel. Give the plural of the singular nouns and the singular of the plural nouns, okay? Okay, so we have here Yvonne, une montre is gonna go, okay, so good. So Yvonne is being very, very respectful because she's messaged me privately. So you cannot, she's not spoiling the homework for everyone in case you haven't done it yet. She's not spoiling, so that's good. Oh, yeah, are you tired? I saw you yawning. That's good, don't worry. Okay. Yes, okay. Let's go with this. I will give you 1 minute to complete it in case you haven't done it. It's gonna take you that, just 1 minute. Okay. Kayla has a mustache, a lot of things, okay? Shazam, what are you doing? Okay, Grace. Okay. So let's go over very quickly. And we have une montre, it's gonna be des montres. Un collier is gonna be des colliers. Les bracelets is gonna be, huh? And here, Yvonne, like when you did it exactly. Remember, if it was plural, you need to convert that to singular, and then the opposite. Here's gonna be les bracelets, l'accessoire, les accessoires, because it's plural. Then we have here the sac, le sac, un chapeau, les chapeaux. And remember, we also add the X at the end. Une écharpe, des écharpes, des bagues. And this one, we have it here as a plural. So we're gonna have it as a singular. It's une bague. Les portefeuilles, très bien, Yvonne. Portefeuille. We have des cravates, la cravate, la ceinture, des ceintures. Une chaussure, des chaussures. Okay, so pay attention to this one too. We have here some that we have. I can be slower. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, Elia. Thank you for letting me know. But here, remember, I always go over everything again. Okay, so here we have de montre. It was une montre, and now we go de montre. Un collier, des colliers. Les bracelets, le bracelet. These ones we were changing to plural, and this one we changed to singular. L'accessoire is singulier, les accessoires, pluriel. Des sacs, pluriel, le sac, singulier. Un chapeau, singulier, les chapeaux, pluriel. Une écharpe, singulier, des écharpes, pluriel. Des bagues, pluriel, une bague, singulier. Le portefeuille, it's singulier. Les portefeuilles, it's pluriel. Des cravates, pluriel. La cravate, singulier. La ceinture, singulier. Des ceintures, pluriel. Une chaussure, it's singulier. And des chaussures is plural. Okay, that's great. Jazan. For the ones that already did this, even if you're muted, repeat after me for the vocabulary for the phonetics practice, okay? Because it's great to know how to write things, but you need to know also how to pronounce it, right? Okay, and remember that you usually have the pronunciation underneath each of the words. Okay, so it's ready. Remember, you can say c'est fini to say I'm finished or it's done. I finished already. Okay, c'est fini. Okay, okay. So can we continue with the next one? Okay, here and c'est fini pour everyone. D'accord. Let's go. Let's go with the next one. And here we will have even more grammar et activité. So for this one, we're going to review the first group verbs, the ones that end in er. For example, porter, that is a verb that means to wear, and we're going to use this verb to c'est pas drôle, oui, to wear exactly. And we already saw the verbs that finish by er, class, if you remember, when we were seeing also the activities too. So this is a very good review. Remember the endings for each of them. E, es, I, ons, I, z, and int. Okay? So here we have je porte, I wear, I am wearing, tu portes, elle porte, nous portons, vous portez, elle porte. And here we have an example. Je porte des lunettes de soleil. I am wearing sunglasses. Okay, so for this one, all the er verbs of the first group have the same endings. There is only one exception that is going to be aller, that means to go somewhere. It's the only exception for the er verbs. All the other verbs that end in er is going to be exactly the same ending and the same pronunciation. Because remember, we reviewed that the past time too. Only for nous and for vous is going to change. Je porte, tu portes, il porte, and here it is nous portons, vous portez. Okay, so the phonetics go like the accent always going to the last syllable. Okay, portons, portez, and the other ones sound exactly the same. Je porte, tu portes, il porte, elle porte. Okay, and you can see that here underneath when you have the phonetics right here. You can see that is written exactly the same. Porte, 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 and here it changes. Portons, portez. Okay? Okay, so let's go now with the activities. Complétez les phrases avec la bonne forme du verbe porter. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb porter. N'oubliez and don't forget to use the plural articles de, il est, where needed. You don't want the teacher to close chat? Then if you don't want me to close chat, then don't spam because I see you spamming, okay? Okay. So for the first one, I'm gonna leave you again a few minutes. This is the last section, so we can take more time too. Remember here, you will need to see the writing random stuff. It's okay. Everyone knows if they want to ask me something directly, they can message me privately. Yes, Eric. Okay, I'm just gonna leave you there a few seconds so we can complete this as well. No, Eric, don't be disrespectful, Eric. Okay, okay, so for the first one, nous portons des blagues, pardon, des bagues. Une blague, blague means joke. Nous portons des blagues, elle porte une bague. Then we have here, tu portes une montre, elle porte des montres. And here as we have many people, we're gonna have many watches too, okay? Same with the rings. We have nous, that is plural, many rings, and for elle, we're gonna have only one ring, okay? So we have tu portes une montre, elle porte des montres, okay? Here we have vous portez, okay? Un, des chapeaux, je porte un chapeau. And for this one is il porte des chaussures because there are many anyways because we don't wear only one shoe, right? We have always many two. And tu portes des chaussures. Okay? So make sure you have this completed. Make sure you have this right. I see everyone writing in, completed. I see Eleanor. I see Eric. I see Emily. Emily is so happy. Then I see Yvonne too. So good. Do you have this done, Yvonne too? I see Vincent too. Oh, so good. Okay. Yeah. No, sorry, Yvonne. I was just asking if you completed this one too. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we can continue with the next part. And this one is faites les mots. I think this is the last class activity. Yes. Faites les mots croisés. Complete the crossword puzzle. And remember also that here you completed both of them. Okay, so good. So make sure you have it right. That you have book 5, 4, and 6, and 7, Eric. All the books, all of them. Wow, so good. Okay, so make sure you complete this too. I'm gonna leave you also a few minutes. We still have 5 minutes left of the class. You're not done the last one? Okay. Don't worry about it. I'll give you some time. We still have time. And for the ones that already finished, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know. Just write in the chat so you can tell me there if you have questions. And for the next one, Eric, please don't spam and don't be so unrespectful because I think you are the only one being like that for the class. So yes, other people also finished, like Yvonne, she finished everything and she's not spamming. Oh yes, you are. Okay. So yeah. For E3 and 4, okay, we're gonna see all the answers now. Don't worry about it, okay? Yes, because nous, for example, this one is gonna be, we finished this already. Nous portons here we have it. Porter, it's vous. I'm gonna start completing this so you can pay attention, otherwise it's gonna take us longer. Jeff Zachary. And then we have un bouton here. Un, il porte des ceintures. Très bien. Des, c'est il. Très bien. Il. No, Eric, you won't be able to. And here we have les sacs. He's asking to share screen. No, les sacs. Like this. And here, see, give us the clue to continue with the next one. That is going to be chapeau, chapeau, o, and the X there too, because here, and here we have lunette. Before we mess it too, another T, the one here too. We have here ceinture, lunettes de soleil. Yeah, that's right. The larger one is lunettes de soleil. Hmm. Here we have. What this one doesn't mean? De ceinture, c'est quelque d'autre. Oui, je crois. Oui, for this one. Okay, no, there we go. Da, 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 da. Let's add these ones first. Two. Elle porte de E N D. Here we have also un bouton. Okay, sorry, here's the O. So we have la montre. Here we have an écharpe. Here we have ceinture. Ceinture. Here we have portefeuille. I'm gonna write it down here so you have it, portefeuille. And then we have lunettes de soleil, so we don't lose more time. De soleil here. Yes, meow? And here we have bag, that is the one missing here too. Meow, do you have a question? You can write it on the chat. Here, also this one. It's all complete. Make sure you have it right. The bouton. Okay. French 6 and 7? Maybe, I don't know. We need to finish this one too. Okay, so we are already over time. So Thank you, everyone, for joining. Are we? Yes. Yes. Thank you for joining today. Yes. Do you have any questions or something else to ask? Anything else? Anything you want me to go over to again? Well, we still have 4 more minutes. Usually we use just 4 minutes in case you want to ask something. Yes?
Ah,
Oh, bonjour! Salut,
wait,
salut!
Pia.
Hmm?
Question.
Yes, we have Mia raising her hand if you have questions.
Madame,
Yes. Oui.
j'ai fini Unit, j'ai déjà fini le Unit 12.
Mm, you sound like your mic is too loud. It's very hard to understand. Can you repeat, please?
J'ai déjà fini le Unit 12. 12.
Oh, Lilita 12. Okay, so you finish everything. Okay, so remember that we are reviewing every unit here. We're doing one unit per class. That's why we're going to review and to go over each unit. But if you have any questions, you can ask me. And also remember that we're explaining also everything. Yes, here what we do is French 4 and French Smart 4 and French Smart 5. Remember, it's always the same. Yes.
Can you go back to question E?
To the E here, yes, okay.
Yes.
This for
And
this one.
what is the answer for number 3 and number 4?
Number 3 and number 4 is vous portez des chapeaux. Je porte un chapeau. Il porte des chaussures. Tu portes des chaussures. Like this. Because here you have a lot of people wearing, so you do it as a plural. Only one person, you leave it as singular. And here is only one people, but we always wear a pair of shoes. Okay, that word is always going to be plural because you don't wear only one shoe, you wear many shoes. Okay, that's why. Okay, yes, you can leave, Max. We're almost in time, so thank you so much for joining today. If you have any more questions, let me know. Feel free to talk. You know, we usually use this time to ask questions with mics and everything. Yes, thank you everyone for joining, and I hope to seeing you the next weekend. Bye everyone. Au revoir Yvonne. Au revoir tout le monde.
Au
Merci
revoir,
beaucoup.
madame.
Au revoir Guy. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Bonne journée.
Bye.
Au revoir. Au revoir Mia. Au revoir Elia. Au revoir Kayla. Au revoir tout le monde.